Hey guys, just going to do a quick assembly video for you on this chair. I'll show you the hardware pack that it came with. I already took all the bolts out, so you didn't have to watch me figure out where they went. So I'll just show you it. Basically, the whole assembly, it's really easy. It has 8 bolts, and then it comes with 2 extra ones. So I left the extra ones in there and figured out where the other ones go again, so you don't have to watch me figure it out. This is like the plunger, the I don't know what it's called, thing for the to raise and lower the seat. Super simple. It just, you pick it up and you set it in the legs right here. So I mean, it comes out of the box like this, set it in there, and that's it. So super simple there. And then you have this bottom adjuster part here, and you'll see on the top it has the word front and an arrow, and then on the seat it also has the word front with an arrow, so you know that those go together like this. So again, you can see I kind of put the bolts in place. They don't come like that. They come in that package. I put them there so I didn't have to try to find them. Super simple. I'm going to take these back off. And then we'll set this down and line the holes up. The front arrow points towards where it shows front arrow. So that's pretty self-explanatory. So I'll just kind of hand start those, and then I'll grab the hex wrench tool that it comes with to finish tightening them up. So I always tighten everything in a cross pattern loosely, and then go back and then tighten it all evenly the rest of the way. Okay. All right, just a second, almost done. All right, so those are in there. Tighten that one. Okay, so that's it on that part. So hold it up so you can see it again now that it's fastened on. 4 bolts lined up, bracket mounted, front facing all that direction. So then you have, this is the back here. You see it's just an entire another bracket that has 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4 holes that line up with the 4 holes on the bottom down here. You'll see 2 of the holes overlap on the seat bracket, and that's how it's meant to be. I wasn't sure about that at first, but actually it just pushes and fits right over there, and then you'll put the bolts right down through there, which will do a good job at holding and locking everything together. It does, you have to push a little bit to make sure you can kind of compress the cushions to get to the bolt holes. I'm also at a weird angle for the camera, trying to make sure you can see. Okay, we got 3 of them started. So make sure you don't cross thread them, because that's never good. That's why I always like to hand start them first. You can see they, initially they go in, they screw in nice and easily. If you're having a lot of resistance at first, that's a probably good indicator that you have them cross-threaded, and you might want to back the bolt out and try again. Make sure you have it lined up good. Again, like I said, I always like to cross tighten them snugly first, and then go one final time around to get it tight the rest of the way. It just helps to get everything tightened evenly. Okay, so that's it. So that's the entire seat assembled, and then the base assembled, and then you'll see, of course, the hole at the bottom of the seat itself. Pick it up, get it lined up, and bam, there it is. So, it took a couple minutes on camera, but it's actually a very, very simple install or assembly. It feels really sturdy. It's a nice wide chair. It feels really comfortable. So just wanted to show you that. Thanks.